Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu with 2 fingers. First, let's get your setup ready. A comfortable keyboard and mouse or tablet are essential for long play sessions. Make sure your game settings, especially input latency, are as low as possible for the best response time. Starting with easier maps, like 1-star or 2-star difficulties, will help you build foundational skills before tackling more complex rhythms and patterns. Now, let's talk about finger placement. Assign 2 comfortable keys on your keyboard, often Z and X, for tapping. The core technique involves alternating these 2 fingers to hit notes. This alternating motion helps maintain a steady rhythm and reduces fatigue. Remember to keep your wrist relaxed and your fingers light and agile. Avoid pressing down too hard or tensing up. Timing and accuracy are crucial in Asu. Always listen intently to the music's rhythm and beat. It's your primary guide. Tap precisely when the approach circle perfectly aligns with the hit circle. Aiming for the very center of each circle will give you the highest score and better accuracy. Consistent practice will naturally improve your reaction time and precision over time. To truly master 2-finger Asu, consistent practice is key. Play a wide variety of maps to expose yourself to different rhythms and patterns. After each session, review your replays to pinpoint where you made mistakes or could improve your technique. Don't be afraid to gradually increase the map difficulty. Pushing your limits is how you'll see significant skill growth and become a more proficient player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.